Hello everyone. Happy to speak about Alana Institute of Management Sciences, one of the most reputed institutes in Pune, and we are quite determined to make it more adorable and more admired institutes in the whole country very soon. This institute has an establishment year of 1998. We had a humble beginning of about 30 students in a classroom. We are now rose to about 300 students studying at any given point in our institute's building. It's a 22 years old institute, and if I'm not wrong, about roughly 5,000 students are already in the market, unleashing the potential and enjoying, reaping the fruits of the learning at Alana Institute. This institute is known for quality education, social equality, harmony, unity and tolerance. Alana Institute of Management Sciences is led by a visionary leader, Dr. P.A. Inamdar, who is a very renowned builder, promoter, banker. He is also a very popular legal luminary. He is a philanthropist, he is an educationist, and he is a true polymath. Let me also submit that the mission of Alana Institute of Management Sciences is to provide value-based education to our students and to create opportunities of career development to the students. It won't be an exaggeration if I say that Alana Institute is a student-centric organization, and that is the reason that placement and entrepreneurial activities are at the center of Alana decision making. We are also a faculty-centric organization, and that's why we have faculty development program which are very routine at Alana Institute. We have growth opportunities for the faculty members, and at the same time research development activities are given most emphasis on. We wish to inculcate the values of integrity, honesty, individuality, trust, humanity, courage and conviction amongst our students. This is just not a dream, this is not just a wishful thinking or a mere aspiration. We are ready with our plan of action, we are ready with a blueprint to accomplish our dream. Every student who is seeking admission to Alana Institute is going to enjoy that luxury of being at Alana and experience the learnings at Alana. We are going to pamper him with skills and attitude. There's a beautiful saying that progress is a fundamental law of life. We want our students to continuously progress. We want our students to continuously grow. At Alana Institute, you can pursue your interest of learning new things. You will be given an opportunity to hone your decision-making skills, polish your personality, and also learn how to challenge yourself in new ways. We understand that the top executives of today's big organization or big corporates are wanting to see graduates working through problems. A man's value to a business is directly proportionate to his ability to identify problems and solve problems. This in turn also depends upon his ability to envisage the problem, foresee the problem, the difficulties and challenges. And that's the reason that applied knowledge is what is the focal to learning at Alana Institute. The faculty pool at Alana is a unique blend of young and experienced faculty members. We have a mix of university toppers, gold medalists. We also have faculty members who have graduated from IIMs and IITs. These faculty members are well educated, they are well read, and they are highly qualified. They have been bestowed with rare qualities of wisdom and perseverance. They know how to interest and charm the audience. They know how to meet and exceed the expectations of the students. The three value propositions of Alana are business and IT knowledge, leadership qualities, and networking. Knowledge is not just facts acquired through observational learning. Knowledge is just not skills and information acquired through observational learning. Knowledge is just not awareness, having an awareness about something or having an understanding of something. Knowledge is much more than that. Knowledge is growth, knowledge is progress, knowledge is lifeblood, knowledge is a compass. Knowledge is going to guide your career and it's going to lead to your holistic development. Knowledge is a cornerstone for both society development and career development, and that's the reason Alana is not just imparting education. Alana is actively engaged in the character building of the students. Let me be very honest that we are working hard on strengthening our ties with our alumni. We want to identify opportunities of long-term engagements with our alumni. We want to have a lifelong bonding with our alumni. We want, through this video, I want to communicate to the alumni of Alana Institute that you are the integral part of Alana family. You are the tigers of Alana, you are the stars of Alana. And we are looking for opportunities to enable you to contribute to the personal and professional developments of students community at Alana. I would like to end my submission with a very beautiful couplet in Hindi which says that रख हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चलकर समंदर भी आएगा, थक के न बैठ मंजिल की मुसाफिर, मंजिल भी मिलेगी और मिलने का मज़ा भी आएगा.